If you have ever wanted a dynamic island on Windows 11, congratulations, you have found it. It has some amazing features including displaying the time, date, weather updates, Spotify and music info, a gaming overlay, and much more. So, to get started, install Windhawk. Then, search for the Dynamic Island mod and install it. From the Settings tab, you can change its size. You can also change its shape from rounded to square. Lower the fill transparency value to make it more see-through. If you'd like, you can disable unnecessary module from this section. Since I'm using a desktop PC, I'm going to disable the battery module. To change the weather location, type your city name and click Save Settings. You can also enable Game Overlay mode if you want. After that, don't forget to enable the Always on Top option. To change the theme, right-click the dynamic island and apply the one you prefer. That's all. I hope you found it interesting. Comment down below and leave a like. It helps a lot. Thanks for stopping by.